Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. This one magical glass can turn your tired mornings into energetic ones, because in these busy days you run here having hectic schedules, and very often we doesn't take about our health and we suffer from fatigue, hair loss, stress and whatnot. So this one magical cup can change your tired mornings into a healthier one. So let us see how to prepare this. Take a bowl and add one full cup of dates. You can add any dates of your choice, and then 5 to 7 walnuts and 40 grams of pistachios or pistas, and 40 grams of almonds or badam, and also 40 grams of cashews. Now add all the nuts into it, and now what you need to do is you need to de-seed the dates. See, I have removed the seed like this. So repeat the same process for the entire dates you have added. So here we're not adding any sugar over here, so the sugar in the date only will do it. Now add one full cup of oats into this. With the cup which we have taken dates, with that same cup you need to add oats also. Now milk, here I have added 400 ml of milk, that is boiled milk or hot milk I have added into the bowl. You to do the same process and then allow the entire ingredients to soak for half an hour or 1 hour, because then only all the nuts will soak nicely and become softer. So close with the lid and allow it to set for 1 hour. After 1 hour you can see they are nicely soaked in the hot milk. Now this is the time you need to take a blender and then add all the ingredients into the blender. Now during the blending you need to do it slowly on little portions, and then add the entire portion in the last, and then you need to blend it. You need to blend it for at least 1 to 2 minutes on high speed, then you can have an amazing result of this smoothie. Some people like to have in a crystal form, you can also have in that form, otherwise you can completely make it into a paste. Now while blending you can add ice cubes if you like it. Now add ice cubes into this and our smoothie is all done. This is very rich in protein and also rich in biotin, and it helps control your hair fall and also helps in weight loss. It's also a great energy booster to kickstart your day in the morning. It's rich in biotin, and also it keeps your hair healthier and your bones stronger. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please like, share and comment, and click the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.